Hey man, you know where you watch.
Dancehall skilla. Blessed, what go on my people? Manners and respect. You see? Alright, my people. I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show a person on the front of a motor vehicle. And that person said some words that gave me the understanding that the person, in a sad way, was asking someone who was inside of the motor vehicle to open the doors of the motor vehicle. The situation reached to the point where police arrived at the location. And in my point of view, it seems as if the situation might have been about some type of relationship that went wrong between two persons. My people, let's look and listen to this video and see if we can get an understanding about the situation. See, you can tell me what to think, but please judge lightly or don't be too harsh when it comes on to certain things that you're about to see and hear in this video. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe.
Yeah, we're putting a reach here now.
Which one? No, no, can't talk tonight. Don't go and close.
Yes, baby. Eh? Up in the door now, Abby. No, up in the door. Up in the door now, please. Up in the door. Just up in the door. Me nah come in. Up in the door now. Up in the door now, Abby. Me nah hurt you, baby. I'm the dear that my youth. Please, me I beg you. Oh man, while I'm on the phone, say me hurt you. Just fling on my phone over there, sir. While I'm on the phone. They say me door now up. When I've always video me. See me give you my phone. Up in the door now, baby. Up in the door now.
Yeah, what me door? Tell me, Abby, what me door?
Up in the door now, baby.
Abby, me a bed feel. Me a bed feel. Abby, me a bed feel. You know, the fighter. No. Calm down, calm down. Abby, me a bed feel. Abby, what me door feel now? Abby, please. Open the door. Open the door, Abby. Open the door. Open the door. Open your door.
I don't idea about hospital, brother. I don't know what.
So who the hospital? You?
My youth, Abby, please, no, Abby.
Are you girl?
Please, no. Yeah, mo. Yo, my youth, me do everything.
Abby, me a bed feel. Abby, me a bed feel. Abby, open the door.
Abby, just open the door now.
Why?
Hold on.
Abby, me a bed feel.
The person in the motor.
The police are gonna come for you now.
Yes, brother. Brother.
Am I right? Am I right?
Me alright, brother, but don't want to style me, dog. I want to style me. You're going to beat up on here, you're going to do it.
Abby, do me a beg you. Abby, open the door for him, please. Help him out.
Please. Abby, please.
Abby, come on.
Me for me to call him. No. And you just a beg that girl, I know that. And me a beg that girl, I know that. No, do me certain.
Go talk to her, make sure open the door for him and make him come off my car. Because I don't want police come carry him to jail.
Abby, do me a beg, but you have a video me night.
Abby, go talk to Abby. No, me not video. No, me not video.
Yeah.
Go talk to him, Abby. Yeah, make sure talk. No, she talk to Abby.
Talk to her.
Abby, listen me now, Abby, just listen me now. Listen me. Me not have no slippers, my slippers bust out. Me not have no slippers, my slippers bust out. Baby, don't left me a road. Yeah, I'm going to lift me now, Abby, don't make you your father that come on and come see me. I didn't see the dog. Oh, fuck that dog.
The police are come.
Abby,
Police, come on. What did you let the man in there, Abby? What the fuck?
Lord God, you know.
Okay. Oh my God, please don't kill him. I'm on the girl. Yeah. Him just a try getting a car.
Me not fear nothing, brother. I want to go back to what makes you just remove? I never try to hurt her. No, I didn't hurt your G. Me not fear.
Boy, embarrassing bad for Abby.
Certain way for nigga can understand about the situation.
And if you go and you grab my phone and go away. Enough is enough, man. You go, man. I don't fling out him.
How long you Abby?
Sincere.
So you're done with him?
Yeah.
Done.
I'm a madman.
Yeah, but help him. That's in a guard jail, though.
Abby.
Abby, please, not making guard jail.
I'm making down.
Him not making guard jail. Him just have a breakdown.
Why you get up here?
Hey, come here. You have it. Listen, you have to stop a breakdown. You have to stop a breakdown. You have it. Come on, man up, man. Man up. Calm down. He's just emotional. Abby. The police them involved now. In can't do nothing to you. Abby, come on. This is stressful. Abby. Hey, here's the $1,000. Here.
Baby, please no.
Here's $1,000. Here's $1,000. Oh my God, me understand. Abby, help out the black brother, man. Help him out. What? He's not a killer. He's not just emotional.
Yeah.
But calm him down. He no need to go to police station. Yeah, man. Come on. Come on, I have to get in the domestic off street, man. That's embarrassment. Hey, black man, hey, brother, you have to control the emotion, man. You understand me? It's your money. Control the emotion, man.
I don't want to man, the brother.
Jesus, you're going to make the police them all you and pull you. Calm down, man. Calm down. All right, let's turn off the camera.
The person who in the motor vehicle, in my point of view, you know, based on how long I see that motor vehicle there, so and so forth. So I say, me somewhat, I think certain things, I see the person operate the motor vehicle at some point. I say, but wait. But then, you know, the person could operate the motor vehicle and did it for a certain amount of time. But then again, the person was on the front of the motor vehicle. That's at one part. Alright, so in a part of the video, me hear where the person in the motor vehicle somewhat kind of explain as to what might have caused that whole situation. I said might have. So listen to this part, right?
And if you go and you grab my phone and go away. Enough is enough, man. You go, man. I don't fling out him.
How long Abby?
Sincere.
So you're done with him?
Yeah. I'm a madman.
Yeah, but
you see how the part says sincere or something like that? Well, the part about the year, well, that kind of made me start to wonder certain things. See, because based on how I see the person behave, you know, when me hear what the person say, I say about wait. Anyways, you say some people who show high emotions, some, not all. Yeah, I am somewhat afraid of some people who show some high emotions because, in my point of view, when it comes down to some people who show some high emotions, yeah, it can be scary to me. See, I mean no disrespect, but in my point of view, the person who was outside of the motor vehicle basically pleading to the person to open the doors of the motor vehicle. I think that the person should have just take it easy, you know, and just take it easy and try to handle the situation calm. Because if someone decide that they are going to leave you or they don't want nothing to do with you, there's nothing you can do because it is the person's decision. You understand? If the person really loves you, the person will come back. I can tell you by experience. You see me? When it comes down to a situation like that, the best thing to do is to just keep it calm. You understand? Because if somebody really love you, that person nah leave you. And I just submit. I mean, I say this as no disrespect to no one, but at the best advice me I give you. See, right now to the world around, you have to just know, say I just saw it go. This is the kind of world we live in. If you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video with people. I'm going to move on to another topic. You can let me know what you think about that situation, alright? Now, I'm going to present a video to you that I recorded in Jamaica. The video that I'm about to present to you is going to show some things that happened at the scene of where a motor vehicle went off the road. In my point of view, the video shows some things that happened at the scene of where a truck went off the road and crashed. And I think that the truck went off the road and somewhat down on a part of a land and crashed. So this video shows a badly damaged motor vehicle viewing subscribers because the motor vehicle went off the road. And you can hear a certain amount of persons saying some words in the video pertaining to the situation. However, I want to make it very clear that I don't have any confirmed information to determine about any injury nor about any fatality or anything like that. Let's look at this video and get an understanding about the situation. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
I go investigate what going on right here, so I say everybody has stopped. I say everybody has stopped and look. So due to one being fast, we have stop and look to my love. Mighty God of Daniel, this look like a precipice. Mighty God of Daniel, Jesus Christ, I don't even want to look afraid. My God. Oh Lord. Mighty God, what is that? Jesus. Mighty God. Where is the driver? Oh, he did? Oh my, that is so wonderful. Thanks be to Father God. Jesus. Look at that. In Jumport. Thanks be to Father God. Thanks be to Father God. Because if he never jump out in us in life, would I jump out? If him foot never jump out in him life, would I jump out? Thanks be to God, him foot jump out in his life. Thanks be to God. One thing with Jamaican people, them go fast, like myself. You know, say a speed, him up here speed for this, him up here speed, you know. He speed and when him turn, him up here speed for that.
Eh? Exactly.
Him up here speed for crash like this.
I'm not crashing the cars.
I mean,
and something nice to blow out on the car, on the truck.
Tire.
Something nice to blow out on him. You never see chop crush up so
Alright people, so I want to make it very clear that even though some words have been said in the video, I don't have any confirmed information to determine about any injury nor about any fatality or anything like that. See? So in the video you can hear where at least one person says some words pertaining to at least one person who was inside of the motor vehicle, but I don't have any confirmed information to determine if some words said in the video are accurate. My people, I know that accidents cannot happen, accidents sometimes do happen, but I'm going to say these words to each and every motorist. Please try your best to drive as carefully as possible. Drive safely for yourself and for others. Alright, so that incident happened within the country of Jamaica. Here's where I'm going to leave it. If you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla.